To understand the same thing, okay, let's go through the slides. Okay, so you see here, guys, you see here, okay, you see here, from the client you have sent this request 127.0.1 1080 webtools index.html. okay, so from the client, okay, this you have opened the browser, you entered this URL, whatever the URL you are seeing, you entered it over here, clicked on enter. As soon as you clicked on enter, what is that? A request is sent to this server. Let's assume this is your servers for your webtools application. You have a web server, app server, and database server. Okay, now what happens? This request that you're sending, as soon as you click enter, the request is broken down into multiple requests. Okay, the request is broken down into multiple requests. Okay, so you see this is index.html is sent, you get the response of it. Then header.html, you get the response for that. Okay, then welcome PL sign off is equal to true, you get the response of it. Sometimes both the requests will be sent as well. As you see here, nav.pl, home and home.html, both the requests are sent to the server, then you get the response. So once you get the response for all of them, this is when the complete page will be loaded. Okay, otherwise the partial page will be loaded. Okay, so otherwise the partial pages will be loaded. Okay, so are we clear, guys? Are we clear? This single request will be broken down into multiple requests and you get the response back for all of them or multiple of them. Okay, and once you get the all of them, then the whole page will be loaded. Then the whole page will be loaded. Okay, are we clear with this part, guys? Everybody? Only if you can understand this. The same thing I'm going to show it over here on the page as well. Wonderful.